Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another day on the adventure bus. So the last time that we were here, we got a lot of the drains installed for all of the plumbing. So that's been great. It's kind of all set up. So today we have our gray water tank. So this guy here, I'm just kind of figuring out all the fittings. So it's 3-inch coming out the bottom, which is great because I've got the valve now as well, which is 3-inch. So I've got this guy here, which hooks up to this. I do actually have a little bit of 3-inch pipe, which I think it's going to be the perfect amount to get this out to the side of the bus. I'm going to mount this underneath the bus, and the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to use threaded rod. So that threaded rod, I will build kind of a frame for this and then put the threaded rod up into the ribs of the floor. So that's the plan to hang this. Let's go have a look outside. I've got a little bit more to do. So I'll take you over to this side because this is where the last one that I was working on is. And where are we here? It's right here. Oh, this is the hard one. Okay. So this guy here, I have to send above the gas tank and over to the other side to meet everything else, which I'll take you over now and show you. Because the bathroom, the washroom, bathroom, restroom, whatever you guys call it, is over on this side, and so is the kitchen. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So, what do we have? We have this guy here, and if you can see, we've already teed off the kitchen, the bathroom sink. So, bathroom sink. This guy here is teed from the shower drain. And then if you look all the way down there, right there is our kitchen. So we've got to get that over to here. And then we're going to put like a Y fitting on here. And that will tie in, hopefully, the laundry from the back. So basically, the shower pan, bathroom sink, and the laundry is all going to come into one pipe here. Then I'm going to have a diverter so that I can drain that right onto the ground, or I can put it into the gray water tank. Then I'm going to have the gray water tank, and then I'm going to have the kitchen sink there draining directly into the gray water tank. The reason for that is most places will never allow you to dump your kitchen sink, but they will allow you to dump your shower water or washing machine water. So as long as you're using biodegradable soap, which of course we're going to be doing. So we've got this kind of to finish setting up and then figure out where to place our gray water tanks. So first things first is to start at the back with the laundry with the washing machine drain. So that's going to be the tough one, so we're going to get started on that now. Okay, so this pipe's cut to 6 feet, and there's no way to get up there. So I'm probably going to have to join it. What I want to see is how long I can make it, which is pretty much... Oh, because it'll bend down. I think if I cut it right about here, I should be able to make it. I probably should have brought the saw out with me, knowing that I was going to cut pipe. Okay, so I want to try and get this as long as possible. And because I'm hitting the ground here,